Hey, what's going on today, guys? We're doing front brakes on the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011. All right, first thing we got to do is we've got to hook the jack up to that right there and lift it up. I don't know what kind of jack you're using, but as you can see, this one is all the way up and I still need a little more. So I'm gonna have to put a block, so you might not want to try this at home. All right, to be safe, always use a jack stand. Okay, I got my jack stand. You know, I got my jack is really not doing a lot. I got a jack stand on that side. You can see over there. So right here, we've got to take this little rubber grommet right here off. Well, might need a flathead. Hold on. All right, actually the whole piece don't come off. This right here comes out of the end of it. So this comes out of the end just like that. And then what you're gonna need is a 11mm hex bit. It will fit right inside there, and then you just take that off. And just in case you don't know, you always want to go, well, I guess it's hard for me to do it and hold it too. I should have brought my tripod. But you got to go lefty loosey, righty tighty. But you always want to get that done, because once you actually stick it in there and goes backwards, it might be a little different. So, yeah. So just so you know, to loosen it, it has to go towards the truck. To loosen it, it has to go towards the truck or the Jeep. Okay, now this right here, it should just pop. Should pop right off. Yeah, I'm sure you could probably do it a lot easier with two hands, but with one hand, that's how it is. And so, okay. All right, the good thing to do is come up here and undo your oil cap, so the oil will flow back up just automatically. You don't want to have to bleed and do all that other stuff. So this is the best thing that I've done. And it works for me over and over again. I have done it on ABS brakes. I've been told not to, but on my own vehicle, I have done it and it worked perfectly. So just keep that in mind. All right. And this is all I use, just a C-clamp on there, on that side, you know, twist that back in. I take this cap off, so it'll go in smoother and easier, like I showed you a while ago. And as you can see where the oil is now, by the time I get done, it should be back up to the max level or wherever they had it at before, maybe right below it. And whenever you get ready to take these out, they should just pop right out of those holes right there. Those pop out, and the ones I'm going to get pop back in. All right, guys. Let's see what kind of goodies we've got from Rock Auto. This has never been open. Okay. Okay, here's that's a big old box for this little box. I guess it just depends on what they got. but they are AC Delco professional, which I try to get the good stuff, because I mean with chrome brakes and different not brakes but wheels and stuff, I don't like all that brake dust. So it's up to you. But these right here, which is not bad, well, I don't have the price on here, but I paid 50 bucks. Paid like 50 bucks. They got here in about 3 days. Yeah. All right, this is what it comes with. Got the little brackets to go back on it, which is good. You know, probably won't need them, but just in case. I believe this is some stuff to go on the silicone, probably for the pads or whatever. And then you got the pads. You know, no real big deal, but just I like them. So what you want to do, like I showed you a while ago, you want to pop that into the hose, and you want to go ahead and slide that on there, and then just put it back together. Okay, these go on the outside. This goes on the outside, that goes on the outside, and you push it in so those go in the hole. Just make sure that's flat in there, like that. But yeah, this goes on the outside, and that goes on the outside. It's all one piece, but yeah, make sure this and that is on the outside, and that goes in the hose. So, not bad. And now, there's nothing left to do but to put your little stoppers. Put your little stoppers back in there to make sure, you know, no dust, anything get in there, and put your tire back on. Oh, and if you don't know, it's a 22. It's either a 22 millimeter or a 7/8 if you're using a 4-way. All right, appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for all your support, everything you do for the channel, and we'll see you in another one. All right, appreciate it, guys.